In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Godaddy website mobile friendly in just about 5 minutes. In the digital age, ensuring your website is optimized for mobile devices is not just a recommendation, it's essential. More people are using their smartphones to browse the internet than ever before, making a mobile optimized website crucial for providing an excellent user experience. So let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is sign into your Godaddy account. Head over to the Godaddy website and you'll see a sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and it will bring up the login page. Next, you need to enter your username and password. This information was created when you initially set up your Godaddy account. Make sure you're entering this information correctly. We understand it can be easy to forget these details, especially if you manage multiple accounts, but they're crucial for accessing your website's backend. After typing in your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from managing your domains to changing your website settings. Once you're in, navigate to the website section. This could be listed under your products or directly accessible from the dashboard, depending on how Godaddy's interface has evolved. But generally, look for a label that says website or something similar. Now find and click on Edit Website. This action will open up the website editor where you can modify content, adjust designs, and importantly for our purpose today, optimize your site for mobile viewing. At this stage, you'll want to preview your website as it currently appears. There's typically a preview option or icon you can click on. In some interfaces, it could appear as an eye icon or simply as the word preview. Go ahead and click on this, as it's important to know what your website looks like right now before we start tweaking it for mobile friendliness. After you've clicked on preview, look towards the top of the editor for an icon that resembles a mobile phone. This is usually fairly visible, but if you're having trouble finding it, it may look like a small rectangle mimicking a phone's shape. Clicking on this icon switches the view from desktop to mobile preview, allowing you to see your website as it appears on mobile devices. Now, this is where the real work begins. In mobile view, you're going to see your website as others see it on their phones. This is crucial for understanding what changes need to be made to enhance user experience on mobile devices. Keep an eye out for elements that don't fit well on a smaller screen, like oversized images, text that's difficult to read, or navigation menus that become unwieldy. As you spot these issues, you'll want to go back and edit those elements in the website editor. This may involve resizing images, changing font sizes, or rethinking your navigation layout. The goal here is to make everything as accessible and legible on a mobile device as it is on a desktop. This might seem like a lot to handle, but Godaddy's website builder is designed to be user-friendly, even for those without a lot of technical expertise. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings and views to see what works best for your site. Remember, the mobile view icon at the top of the editor is your friend. Toggle back and forth between mobile and desktop views to ensure your adjustments look good on all devices. And that's pretty much it. By signing into your Godaddy account, accessing your website editor, previewing your current mobile site, and making necessary adjustments, you're well on your way to having a mobile-friendly website that your visitors will appreciate. Remember, the mobile internet is only becoming more prevalent, and ensuring your website is optimized for those users is key to staying competitive and relevant in the online world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials to keep your digital presence strong and successful.